Okay, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace tail light. As you can see, mine is damaged, so I will replace it with a similar used tail light. Okay, so here's the other one that I'm gonna be installing, and as you can see, there's two bolts here, right here and right here. So what you gotta do is open this up, and you should see the bolts somewhere there. You should probably fill them with your hands. Okay, so you need, I believe, a 10mm socket to remove them, or a small wrench with a 10mm. Okay, so you have to disconnect this plug before you actually pull out the tail light. Just press on this like that and pull it. And now you can just go ahead and remove the light, the tail light. Now I'm gonna put this one in and try and see if all the lights actually work before I put the nuts on. Here's how you can check if the lights are actually working. You go ahead and remove, and you just look at those on the inside. If they're okay, then it should work. Okay, this one's dirty. They were actually all dirty, so I'll just wipe them out. With a paper towel. Okay, this one's okay too. And the last one. Is good. It should work. So then make sure that the seal is actually sitting right, because otherwise you will not be able to install it. Mine was actually off, so this actually happens when you remove it. It gets kind of sticky. So okay, to install it, you need to put the bottom of the taillight inside the bumper like this, and then be careful with this side here. Okay, line up those pins here, and it should be in. Now you can go ahead and connect the plug, and you can double check, turn on all the signals, and then put the nuts on and put the cap on. Oh, and by the way, I use this kind of socket, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. This was enough. Okay, so it looks like everything is working. Just put this back on, and there you have it. So guys, if this video was helpful, like the video, also subscribe to my channel, and see you next video.